We about to go to the whip. I've been waiting all day again, man. Yesterday I shot a video, and then today I'm about to shoot another video for you on the scooter. There's a huge protest right here. Hell yeah! Woo! Uh-oh, there's a cop right there. Is he gonna make a U-turn? He's not. Y'all seen them cheering? W crowd, W cause. Did y'all see the cops right afterwards too? That was kind of funny. There's a little biker right there. Slow down a little bit. Hear the burbles. Wait, should we hit the freeway? Or not? No. Alright, let's keep going straight. Downshift again. Give us some gas, and then maybe a little bit more gas. Oh shit, why is he slowing down? Downshift. You know those like Lamborghini videos where there's like bah, bah, just slap into downshift? Banging through the gears. That's what I feel like in this car, even though this one shifts way slower than a Lamborghini. We can just safely drive over here. I was just here yesterday, but it was at night, so I couldn't really get that good of a... Actually, yeah, I got a pretty good angle. But now we can see the water right here. Y'all see the water? Let's go slow and appreciate the view. Oh yeah. Check out the Amazon watch. Y'all mess with it? I think it was like less than 50 bucks on Amazon. I get so many compliments on this watch. Makes me feel like $1 million dude, man. Oh, alright. I think I know what we're doing. We gotta make a U-turn. Oh my god. Fire. We got the whole road. Sick. Put down the windows. Damn. Wait, can we enter here? Yeah? Oh, shoot. Okay. Yep, of course. Damn, look at the water. Alright. Wait, where is it? Alright, this is the whip. And right now, we're at the beach. Pretty nice. Kind of reminds me of the first day of when I bought it. I came straight to Santa Monica to shoot a video with the car. here we are with the car. That shit is nice. Nice day today. Pretty sunny. Alright, let's go back inside and let's get out of here. Seatbelt. Let's put it in drive. Pull the parking brake. And then we're good. Damn. I can't keep up with that. I think we can go. Cool. That just sounds so good. And the view's so nice. I don't even want to go fast, I just want to cruise. And just look at the view. Uh-oh, the cars are coming up behind me pretty fast. You're not overtaking me, man. Oh, fuck. Are we good? Yeah, we're good. Let's let him get to the side. Y'all see that Rolls Royce? I'm about to get one of those. It's a long ass one too. And it looked like he had a driver. Downshift one more time. Maybe one more time. Yes, sir. Y'all see those people up there on the bridge? What does it say? I can't read it. I'ma just honk. Just oh, it says no ice. Bro, having free will is just so fun, bro. I swear to God.
Bruh.